The mother of a teen suspected of being one half of a Bonnie and Clyde duo involved in a crime spree across the country says her daughter is under serious threat. A manhunt is currently underway for the teen's 19-year-old boyfriend, who escaped from Balbriggan Garda station last month after being arrested for a variety of criminal offences. He is described as out of control. He has since embarked on a crime wave and is the chief suspect for around 20 crimes, mostly car break-ins, since he escaped on April 23rd. His 17-year-old girlfriend is suspected by Gardaí of being an accomplice for many of the crimes, with detectives dubbing the couple Bonnie and Clyde. She was officially declared a missing person by Gardaí until officers discovered her at a home connected to the criminal a number of days ago. She has since been detained and questioned by detectives from Kilkenny and Portlaoise in relation to her involvement in crimes committed locally, while he remains on the run. However, her mother told the Irish Independent that her daughter is in danger of this criminal and is a victim of coercive control. She said, "I have heard Gardaí say to my daughter about Bonnie and Clyde. She is no Bonnie. She's a very vulnerable child who has been taken advantage of." The 19-year-old criminal was convicted of stealing cars in Dublin, Laois, Cork and Kildare and served time in prison from May of last year until his release from the Midlands prison in March. Outlining a number of alleged assault incidents, the mother said her daughter is the subject of coercive control and has been taken advantage of by him. The teenage criminal has around 40 previous convictions, many of which were for offences he carried out as a juvenile.